I am Nijlingappa, Department of Chemistry. So, we are conducting the practical experiment, inorganic chemistry experiment. Estimate the amount of zinc and zinc sulfate crystals present in 250 cm cube of the given solution using EDTS solutions. In this experiment, mainly three parts. First part is a preparation of the standard solution, zinc sulfate solution. Its concentration is 0.05 molar. And second part is using the standard solution, standardize the EDTS solutions. And third part is estimate the amount of zinc sulfate present in the 250 cm cube of the given solution. In the first part is preparation of the standard solution of zinc sulfate. Preparation of standard solution of the zinc sulfate. For that, we are weighed about 3.6 grams of zinc sulfate crystals in a weighing bottle, and all of you are well known how to prepare the standard solution. In this weighing bottle, first about 3.6 grams of the zinc sulfate is taken and weighed in a digital balance to record the weight, and this one is carefully transferred into the beaker, and empty weight of the weighing bottle is also recorded. That gives a weight of the zinc sulfate crystals, and this zinc sulfate crystals is diluted with the distilled water, with a small amount of the distilled water, and make it a solution and transfer carefully into the volumetric flask. You added slowly the solution and make up. This one is up to the mark using the distilled water. So this is the volumetric flask. We are already prepared the standard solution. So this is a standard solution of zinc sulfate, and all of you are knowing the calculation of the first part. So that is using the formula, that is molarity of the zinc sulfate is equal to weight of zinc sulfate taken divided by molecular weight of the zinc sulfate into 1000 cm cube divided by 250. So that gives the molarity of the zinc sulfate solution. So you can calculate it. The value is about 0.05 molar solution. And after preparing the standard zinc sulfate solution, using the zinc sulfate, you have to standardize the EDTS solutions. So standardize the EDTS solution. So this one is in this experiment we put out 25 cm cube of the zinc sulfate solution into the clean conical flask. So this is a pipette. All the operators first thoroughly wash with the tap water and rinse with the distilled water. Then we put out 25 cm cube of the zinc sulfate solution. To put out exactly 25 cm cube of the standard zinc sulfate solution into a cleaned conical flask. Add 1 test tube of distilled water and 2 ml of the buffer solution. This is a 25 cm cube zinc sulfate solution, and one test tube of distilled water added into it. And the 2 cm cube of buffer solution, 2 ml buffer solution is added. So this is a buffer solution. It is a mixture of ammonia and ammonium chloride. And then add areochrome indicator 7 to 8 drops into it. This is a areochrome black tea indicator. So this solution is appeared violet in color, and this one is titrated against the EDTA solutions is filled in the burette. So this is EDTA solutions. First the burette is washed thoroughly with the tap water and rinsed with the distilled water, then fill the EDTA solution up to the mark. Next this one is titrated against. First you record the initial reading 0.0 or whatever may be the value. So this is 0.0. You record the initial reading before titration, and go on adding slowly the EDTA solution into it. You see the color of the solution, it is appears violet or wine red color like. At the end point, we have added drop by drop. This solution turns to blue color. Wine red is turns to. So this is end point. After conversion of wine red into the blue, you record that is completed the titration. You record the final reading. So final reading is 23.1 cm cube. So next, once again repeat the titration to get agreeing values or concordant values. So both the values are same. In a second titration is also getting same titer value. You stop the titration and we go for the third step, that is preparation. Estimate the amount of the zinc sulfate, that is unknown solution. So unknown solution is also we are given in the volumetric flask, in 250 cm volumetric flask. So that solution is make up with distilled water up to the mark, and so this is unknown solution. We are already prepared the unknown solution also, and from this we have to find out the amount of the zinc sulfate present in this. First, here in the third part, once again we prepare the first is fill the EDTA solution into the burette. we are filling the EDTA solution and pipette out 25 cm cube of the unknown solution into the conical flask. So first we are washing the pipette. Beaker. We cut out 25 cm cube of the unknown solution into the clean conical flask. Once again, we are added about 1 test tube of distilled water. This added 1 test tube of distilled water and 2 cm cube of buffer solution, freshly prepared buffer. And 7 to 8 drops of Iriachrome black tea indicator. Now, so this is the solution. It appears wine red color or violet in color. Next, this solution is titrated against the standard EDTA solution. Here also first we record the initial reading and titrated this one. Go on adding the solution into it. Just turns wine red to blue color. You see this one just turns violet to blue in color. Next, so this one is record the final reading also here. So reading is 21.0. So this is the third step. The experiment is over. Next is once again you repeat the titration as before. First you wash the burette, conical flask, and once again you fill the pipette out 25 cm cube of the unknown zinc sulfate solution and 1 test tube of distilled water and 2 cm cube of the buffer solution into it. This solution is titrated against PDTA taken in the burette. Once again you get the titrate values. After that, after finishing the experiment, remaining is the calculation part. In the calculation part, first part is preparation of the standard solution and calculating the values. That is the molarity of the zinc sulfate solution. Molarity of zinc sulfate is equal to formula is the weight of the zinc sulfate taken in the and divided by molecular weight of zinc sulfate into 4. That is equal to molarity of the solution. So that is